This is how to do it for the PS4 Pro. So what you're going to do is, as you can see, there's a small screw here that we have to get to. In order to get to it, we have to remove this plastic piece here. So you're going to go to it from the side and kind of this right corner, push it in with your finger, and then you see it just snaps out. Great. Now you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver, which is the one with the cross, not the flat one. And it has to be a small one. And you're going to take out the screw here. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to pull out the little drive cage here. So you can see the hard drive is in there. So what I recommend that you do is get one of these compressed gas duster canisters, and I will leave a link in the description below if you need one. And what we're going to do is kind of point this in here and clean it out really good, because what could happen is a lot of dust buildup and other stuff gets trapped in there, and it's gonna cause problems with the connection on your PS4 hard drive. I'll do the same here. And if you have a small microfiber wipe, you can go ahead and just clean it up a bit there. And one other thing that could have happened is that the hard drive got dislodged from the connections. So as you can see right now, it kind of slides in, and make sure the hard drive side is pointing down. There you go, it's back. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it back. All right, so now we're gonna simply press the power button once.